Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to debit cards. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need to verify your account on Wise. Otherwise, it's very tough. To be honest, it's not possible to send money to something. So then after that, we click here on send and then we fill in right here my own country. And then we put right here the amount of money. And then what we're going to do is we select right here change, because if you want to put some Wise money to your debit card, you can select right here Wise and select your account. Right now, I don't have any money standing on my Wise account, my wallet. So I select something else, but I recommend you to use your Wise wallet. So let's do ideal. And then we do add recipient. Then we do right here add, and then we do bank details and then myself. And then we fill in right here or IBAN. Please make sure that you do that. And if you're from outside Europe, then add right here a SWIFT or BIC code to that. And then after that, you do continue, and then he will send you to this review page right there. Then check all your details, and when everything is fine, go to continue again, and then he will send you to the payment page where you need to do your payment. Then after that, it's done, and then you send money to your debit card. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.